Robert Kiyosaki, buy or sell, latest crypto news. The financial crypto landscape has seen some interesting swings across the past few months. With heavy dips and exciting rises, we're currently in a surprisingly bearish market with some exciting new developments expected in the near future that's set to get nothing but complete sector growth. However, there have been many claims that crypto is currently in the middle of an insanely overvalued bubble, with a few analysts claiming that the bubble is about to pop. None other than Robert Kiyosaki has actually stated that he personally believes that the entire crypto bubble is about to collapse. Thanks for joining us today at No Cap Crypto. We'll be taking a very close look at the current crypto financial landscape and why Robert Kiyosaki, amongst others, is of the opinion that crypto is currently in a bubble that's about to pop. Make sure you pay close attention and watch till the end of the video. Kiyosaki has made some outrageous claims in the past, but the man certainly knows what he's talking about. Robert Kiyosaki net worth and his legacy of financial literature. Robert Toru Kiyosaki is primarily a businessman with a heavy focus on providing financial education. Since the 90s, Kiyosaki has grown a multi-million-dollar empire with a heavy focus on providing private financial learning through books and videos under the world-famous Rich Dad flag, stemming from the world-renowned Rich Dad Poor Dad series of books that he authored. Kiyosaki often focuses his classes and educational programs on legacy financial systems and centralized monetary policy. However, on June 19, 2021, the world became aware of Kiyosaki's surprisingly bearish mentality towards the current crypto climate. Robert Kiyosaki went on record claiming that the biggest bubble in world history is getting bigger and that the biggest crash in world history is coming. He also stated that he expects Bitcoin to drop to 24K from the current BTC coin price in excess of 36,000. That's a noticeable downturn. Robert Kiyosaki, Bitcoin will be over $1 million in 5 years, but I still prefer gold and silver. Kiyosaki doesn't often comment on cryptocurrencies, although he maintained a surprisingly bullish stance towards decentralized finances in general across the former half of 2021. In April, Kiyosaki actually predicted the price of Bitcoin to hit $1.2 million in 5 years. The world-famous businessman and financial guru has actually cited a number of factors that he claims will compound and result in one of the largest crypto booms that we've ever seen. A combination of increased money printing, excessive stimulus packages, and the overall devaluation of the US dollar was set to help Bitcoin see unprecedented levels of growth. So what exactly has led Robert Kiyosaki to swivel his opinion regarding crypto over such a short period of time? From predicting insane price explosions to a huge price drop, Kiyosaki has often remained a very notorious and loud public financial figure due to his outlandish and entertaining claims and predictions. Before we start getting into the extremely technical details, we need to ask, hey, are you liking the video so far? If so, I have good news. Make sure you like and subscribe to No Cap Crypto because we release videos like this every week. Also, comment below and let us know what you think about Robert Kiyosaki and his claims about crypto. Make sure you stay to the end to not miss anything important. As with most financial advisors and traditional financial investors, Robert Kiyosaki has remained publicly outspoken against the government and their treatment of financial systems. May 31st, 2021, Kiyosaki stated that the major factor in poor market performance is the incompetent government, Federal Reserve, and Wall Street, comparing the poor decision-making regarding gold and Bitcoin as a commodity. Kiyosaki has often drawn parallels between gold, silver, and Bitcoin as financial assets that can be used to offset and hedge the losses of a dying dollar amongst other fiat currencies. It's clear to see that one of the major driving forces behind Kiyosaki's expected crypto dip is the government. Regardless, Kiyosaki is still very bullish on crypto and decentralized finances as a whole. The world-renowned financial mogul has stated that the best time to get rich is during a crash, stating that the best advice is buying up assets and holdings that will be seriously devalued during the crash and then holding for the next bull run. Compared to the vast majority of financial advice during a crypto dip, Kiyosaki has gone on record time and time again stating that the upcoming period of heavily reduced assets is the perfect opportunity to get involved with cryptocurrency. It seems to be that although he still primarily considers crypto as an investment opportunity and commodity, he does believe that the technology's applications as an actual currency are on the horizon. He actually believes that the complete adoption and usage of cryptocurrencies on a national level, being considered as legal tender, should look to further benefit governments as opposed to limit their control and manipulation. Kiyosaki has implied that fighting the incoming crypto surge is causing more unnecessary issues and that the government just needs to accept the digital currency future that decentralized finances are guiding us towards. In his defense, national currencies are seeing record-breaking low performances, with the US dollar seeing horrible exchange rates due to coronavirus cases and poor financial decision-making during the height of the pandemic. During the lockdown, many governments were looking to print money in order to sustain their economies. This mass surge of cash into global economies led to heavy levels of inflation and insane unemployment rates. Crypto, on the other hand, performed phenomenally as a financial instrument that was not affixed to any legacy fiat asset, remaining relatively stable and actually surging in value at some points. As of now, more and more financial institutions and certain national governments are beginning to accept payments for products and services in crypto. This sort of mentality and behavior is set to further drive up the overall price of crypto in the near future. As such, purchasing during the forecast collapse is the perfect opportunity for many retail crypto investors. Is Robert Kiyosaki a fraud? Examining the evidence. It should go without saying that Robert Kiyosaki has faced a number of controversial claims with a fair deal of negative allegations brought up against him. A fair number of attendees have sought legal action against Kiyosaki on the grounds that his high-priced seminars were nothing spectacular. There's also been a fair level of controversy about his advocation of get-rich-quick philosophies, with Kiyosaki as the subject of a class action suit filed by some of his seminar attendees. One of his companies, Rich Global LLC, actually filed for bankruptcy in 2012. Regardless, it's hard to argue the fact that Robert Kiyosaki has managed to grow a huge multinational conglomerate and netted himself an estimated net worth of about $100 million. Furthermore, Kiyosaki is a highly influential social media presence with hundreds of thousands of followers tracking his ideas and opinions. As such, could his claims regarding crypto and the incoming collapse be considered legitimate? Or is he using his position of power in order to swing the marketplace in his favor? Let us know what you think about Robert Kiyosaki and his negative predictions of the crypto market in the comments below. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor and that this video exists purely for educational purposes. Please do your own research and make your own intelligent financial decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video, and I'll see you in the next one.